Okay guys, today now I'm going to show you how to code a NodeMCU. Arduino IDE is opened. Inside it, we are start our coding. I'm going to explain you, and in the below of the link, in the below of this video, I also give the code link. Okay, you can download it from the GitHub. Now I'm going to explain only over here, and it is a very small code and easy code, which can anyone establish it. Okay. Now first of all, you have to include these files for ESP establishment, that is ESP Wi-Fi, ESP web server, ESP32, and this everything you have to include. Declare the port. The server port number is 80. Okay, now you can change this your requirement. It is 8080, it will 800, anything else. Now this is SSID. Now NodeMCU trying to connect with any type of router or inside a network, so he wants SSID. Now my router's SSID is DREGO, and password is 80. That's my password of my router. Now over here I make some functions for LED turn on, turn off, this type of functions, which will call from our browser for making LED on or off condition. Now over here we have two different LEDs, that is red LED and violet LED, as I'm explained in my previous video. Now function, I am going to change this function to red, okay, and red on, okay, and red off, red off, red off, and another two more functions for violet LED also. Just see, violet and on and off. Okay, now inside this we have to declare that LED on, that is pin mode digital, that is pin mode 14 number of pin, as explained in a previous video. That is a 14 number pin, that is D5, 4 number pin, that is D2, on which our LED is connected. They are declared over here as a digital output. Okay, also in the very beginning of this code, that setup will execute. So because of that reason, over here we have to make LEDs low. Okay, now how to give LEDs low? Now digital right, we have two different LEDs, so we have to declare two digital right low, 14 number and number 4 of LED. Okay, now after that, when we start our NodeMCU, power up our NodeMCU, first of all they execute the setup. Inside the setup I use the serial begin 115200 as baud rate. Wi-Fi dot mode, it is a mode has have to be set as mode, then Wi-Fi begin, SSID and password. Password is correct, Wi-Fi get begin, otherwise it will stop over there and just waiting for the confirmation. Okay, while Wi-Fi dot status not equal to connected, till that time that NodeMCU gets stop on this point. So after that, when it get connected to my router, it will give us the serial print of a Wi-Fi local IP. It will shows my local IP in a serial print. Now after it connected to my router, it will get a IP address, and that IP address we have to know. That IP address we have to put in our browser and execute. After executing that IP address, we can perform that LED on and off function. How will we open it on our server? For that we have to copy this thing, Control C. Okay, in this we have to declare that functions which I have made, red LED on, red LED off, violet on, violet off. Okay, VIO let on VIO let off. Okay. But that slash LED1 on clear inside this double inverted commas it will use in our browser, that is when we are giving that IP address with this slash that will perform that particular function, that particular this function through this slash. Means how, what is slash, I will explain you after this compiling and all. One off LED2 off, oh sorry, on, and LED2 off, LED2 off. Okay. Inside that function we have to on LED or off LED, that is this digital right, on and off and all. Okay, now red LED is as connected on D2. Okay, so fourth number of pin, make it high. High. And violet LED on 14 number pin, that is D5. Okay, 14 number pin. Oh, sorry for this. High and low for low. Proceed. That's it. Our code is complete now. Now we are going to build. Go inside our board and you have to select this NodeMCU 1.0, that which already selected in my system. Okay, but my NodeMCU is not connected, and now I'm going to connect it with my laptop. Okay, now you can see the port over here, called number 7. Okay, compile it. NodeMCU okay, there is an error. Okay, string, sorry, I doesn't declare these things as a string. You have to declare this server.send and this variable as a string. Now LED on slash LED off and LED 1 on, LED 2 off. Okay, it must be, every function must have a different string. LED 1 on, comma LED 2, oh sorry, 1 off. Now compile it. Now code is uploading inside our NodeMCU. It takes some time inside my laptop. Okay, it's done.